Welcome, dear viewers, to the ancient city of Delphi. Today, we embark on a journey to the sacred temple of Apollo, where the Oracle of Delphi once held the power to shape the fate of empires. Join us as we uncover the mystery of the oracle's erratic prophecies and the brave warrior who sought to restore order to this sacred place. In the ancient city of Delphi, nestled amidst the rugged peaks of Mount Parnassus, there stood the sacred temple of Apollo, where the revered Oracle of Delphi resided. For centuries, people from all corners of the ancient world would come seeking counsel and guidance from the Oracle, believed to be the mouthpiece of the god Apollo himself. The Oracle was renowned for her profound prophecies, which were said to shape the course of empires and kingdoms. But as time went on, a strange and unsettling phenomenon began to occur. The prophecies of the oracle started to go awry, leading to chaos and confusion among those who sought her wisdom. Rumors began to circulate that the oracle had fallen prey to the insidious influence of Dionysus, the god of wine and revelry. It was said that the oracle had taken to indulging in copious amounts of wine, which clouded her judgment and led to her prophecies becoming increasingly erratic and nonsensical. One day, a young and ambitious warrior named Leonidas arrived at the temple of Apollo, seeking guidance on a matter of great importance. He had heard of the oracle's prowess in foretelling the future and was eager to know what fate had in store for him. As he approached the oracle, he was struck by the sight that greeted him. The once great prophetess was slumped over in her chair, a half-empty jug of wine clutched in one hand. Her eyes were glazed over, and her words were slurred as she attempted to speak. "Great oracle," Leonidas began, unsure of what to make of the scene before him. "I come seeking your wisdom and guidance. What can you tell me of my future?" The oracle let out a drunken cackle, her voice echoing through the chamber. "Ah, young warrior, I see a great battle in your future. A fierce enemy will rise against you, but fear not, for victory shall be yours." Leonidas frowned, his doubts growing with each passing moment. The oracle's words were vague and ambiguous, lacking the clarity and insight he had hoped for. As he turned to leave, a sudden commotion erupted in the temple. A group of disciples rushed in, their faces filled with alarm. "Great oracle, we beseech you, we have received reports that a neighboring kingdom is preparing to launch an attack on our land. What should we do?" The oracle let out a raucous laugh, her words slurring together. "Drink, my friends, drink until the wine flows like a river. Let the revelry begin, for the gods have decreed that this night shall be one of merriment and joy." The disciples exchanged worried glances, unsure of what to make of the oracle's cryptic response. As the night wore on, the temple descended into chaos as the oracle's prophecies grew wilder and more unpredictable. People came from far and wide, drawn by the promise of divine insight, only to leave with more questions than answers. But amidst the confusion and uncertainty, a glimmer of hope emerged. Leonidas, the young warrior who had come seeking guidance, refused to give up on his quest for the truth. He vowed to uncover the mystery behind the oracle's drunken prophecies and restore order to the sacred temple. With steely determination, Leonidas set out on a journey to seek out the elusive god Dionysus, whose influence was said to be behind the oracle's erratic behavior. Through trials and tribulations, he finally found himself standing before the god of wine and revelry, who greeted him with a mischievous grin. "Ah, young warrior, what brings you to my domain?" Dionysus inquired, his voice lilting and playful. "I seek your aid in understanding the oracle's prophecies," Leonidas replied, his gaze unwavering. "Her words have led to chaos and confusion, and I fear for the fate of our kingdom. Please, help me unravel the mystery behind her wild predictions." Dionysus chuckled, pouring himself a goblet of wine. "Ah, the Oracle of Delphi, she has always been a wild card in the grand scheme of things. But fear not, young warrior, for I shall grant you the clarity you seek." And with that, Dionysus revealed the truth behind the oracle's drunken prophecies. Her connection to the god of wine had indeed clouded her judgment, but it had also opened a door to a new realm of possibilities. The erratic nature of her visions was a reflection of the unpredictable nature of fate itself, and it was up to those who sought her guidance to find their own truths amidst the chaos. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Leonidas returned to the temple of Apollo, where the oracle awaited him with bleary eyes and a half-empty jug of wine. With newfound clarity and conviction, he addressed the prophetess once more. "Great oracle, I have come to understand the truth behind your prophecies. Though they may seem wild and unpredictable, they hold a deeper wisdom that transcends the confines of mortal understanding. I thank you for the guidance you have given me, and I vow to uphold the truth that lies at the heart of your visions." The oracle's eyes widened in surprise, and a flicker of clarity shone through her drunken haze. "Young warrior, you have shown great courage and wisdom in seeking the truth behind my prophecies. May the gods smile upon you in your endeavors, and may you find the answers you seek in the mists of time." And so, with the oracle's blessing, Leonidas embarked on a new journey, one that would lead him to the heart of destiny itself, where the prophecies of the past would merge with the promises of the future. And though the road ahead was fraught with challenges and uncertainties, he walked boldly forward, knowing that the divine guidance of the oracle would never lead him astray. And thus, the tale of the drunken oracles of Delphi became a legend in its own right, a testament to the enduring power of prophecy and the boundless potential of the human spirit. For in the wild and unpredictable words of the oracle, there lay the seeds of truth and wisdom, waiting to be discovered by those who dared to seek them out. Inspired by this ancient tale, dive deeper into the world of mythology and uncover the timeless lessons hidden within these stories. Whether you seek wisdom, courage, or a new perspective, the legends of the past have much to offer. Subscribe to our channel and be part of a community passionate about history and mythology.